Following contest is scheduled for one fall. Approaching the ring from Mexico, the cruiserweight champion of the world, Bruiser Lightning.
You think you know me?
And his opponent, the United States champion, the Bruiser.
Remember, tomorrow, Saturday, is the Royal Rumble from the Legend vs. Icons group. Hoping that whoever wins can have a great match at the main event at WrestleMania. And I hope you guys enjoy the Royal Rumble event tomorrow and enjoy this event of SmackDown today. But please don't miss the Royal Rumble. I'm doing this Saturday so that way Sunday people can enjoy.
And this one should blow the roof off the house.
WWE Royal Rumble Sunday.
What tremendous agility. Remember, this is a no disqualification matchup. Uh-oh. Ah! Look at this. Oh, look out! He rolled the dice. It didn't pay off. One. Oh, no! Two. And he was knocked for a loop. What's that here? Right now, Maverick looks locked and loaded. Right now, Maverick looks locked and loaded. 5. I can't believe this is a no disqualification match. We can see anything in this one. From the ring to the outside, what impact? The powers are just on that exchange. That one got him. Maverick. What a main event we have here tonight.
World champion will be in action in the main event, Michael. I'm looking forward to that.
Hey!
I think he's through playing around. And there's a great move by Maverick.
Uh-oh. It might be time to run. He's looking again. Maverick. Maverick hit it. And here's a cover. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa,
Maverick
ladies
wins.
and gentlemen, Maverick Lightning defeated defeated the Bruiser here on SmackDown, proving to be a good cruiserweight champion, of course. I guess the Bruiser underestimated Yannick Lightning, trash talking to him, saying that he was the best. He might be the best on Raw, but on SmackDown, not the best, Bruiser. There are others better than you.
Here's your winner, Maverick.
Uh-oh. That guy's in here too. Warning, Yannick Lightning. Wow. He's inviting them. So all three opponents have been challenged by the bad guys. Darius Angel, Mr. Silver, and now Yannick Lightning. This is getting intense, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what will happen in the future.